Want to ensure your shipment reaches smoothly? Proper labeling is the key. In this video, we'll show you how to attach your Waybill label securely to your package before shipping with Get My Parcel. Once you have booked your shipment on getmyparcel.com, you will receive an email with your Waybill label and commercial invoice. The Waybill label will go on the box, and the commercial invoice must be handed to the delivery partner during pickup. Make sure to print both. Take the first page of the Waybill label and stick it flat on the top of your packed box. Use strong, transparent tape to cover all sides of the Waybill label. This prevents it from peeling off. Wrap the entire box with plastic wrap 2 to 3 times to keep the label intact. Secure the wrap further with brown tape from all sides. Ensure your box is well labeled with the Waybill number visible and commercial invoice ready for the courier. Now, your package is ready for hassle-free shipping. For smooth and secure deliveries, always label your packages correctly. Book your shipment today at getmyparcel.com.